Hello, we are still doing short vowel O sound, which is O sound, and we have covered OG family in the last lesson. Let's continue with today's lesson with OT family, OT family. The first word in today's family is dot. D sound produced by alphabet D, O sound produced by short vowel O, and ending with the T. Dot. Dot is a circular spot like this, just like our period in the end of the sentence. Dot. Got. G sound produced by alphabet G, O sound produced by short vowel O, and alphabet T. Got. Hot. H sound produced by alphabet H, O sound produced by short vowel O, and then followed by T. T sound. The next one is lot. Lot. L sound produced by alphabet L, O sound produced by short vowel O, and T. Lot. And then is pot. P sound produced by alphabet P, O sound produced by O, and then T. Pot reminded me of one rhyming word which has blends in it. Spot. Now, S and P together, the sounds are going to blend, and this is going to be spur and not spur. Remember? So this is going to be spur or spaw, ending with the becomes spot. Spot, space, spot. So dot, got, hot, lot, pot, and spot. Next one is not. N sound produced by alphabet N, O sound produced by short vowel O, and ending with a T. Do you know what this is? Cannot, cannot, cannot. No. K is silent. That means no sound of K, and then it will sound afterwards. Na, otter, not. This is also not, and this is also not. This not is denying something, saying no to something, and this not is the type. For example, you put a knot in your shoes. So not and not. When two words, they have the same sound, they are called homophones. Homo means same, phones means sound. So not and not here are homophones. And the last one is rod. R sound produced by alphabet R, O sound produced by short vowel O, and ending with a T. When anything gets spoiled, say the orange got spoiled, so you would say the orange rot. Rot. So not, not again, and then rot. Today we have a very special set of sight words. We just covered homophones. Homo means same, phones means sound. So today's sight words are going to be same sounding words. Say the pronunciation or the enunciation of these words is going to be exactly same, and then but the meaning is of course different. The spellings are of course different. So it depends upon usage, where and which will be used. So let's begin with today's sight words. by, and by. All three are by, but their meanings are different, their spellings are different, just their sounds, how they are being pronounced, are same. So this is also by. This is when some action is pointed by somebody, say action is done by somebody, so we say this is being written by me, so we use by here. Now this buy is buy, buy, when you buy something, when you purchase something, when you go for shopping, so you buy new shoes, so this is buy, buy. And this one is when you are waving goodbye to somebody, so this is bye, buy. So you see, now when we are reading and you know your sight words, it will be very easy for you to go ahead with the sentence. Now while writing, you might feel difficulty remembering these. So these words are really important. We cannot confuse by writing one word in place of another. So we have to make sure the spellings are correct too. So this is buy, I go buy the car, this was done by me. This buy is when you're purchasing something, you're buying something. I buy 6 pens. So which buy will be there? Not this one, because we're not saying bye to 6 pens. Not this one, we are not saying that this was done by 6 pens. So this is going to be buy, buy. When I say bye, so when I'm saying I waved bye to my friend, or I say when I waved bye to my friend, then this is going to be this bye, not this one, and not this one. So depending upon the usage in the sentence, you will have to remember which means differently and which belongs in that sentence. So this is the end of today's sight words. I hope you understood. We'll cover more confusing words which are also sight words, and some are homophones too. So I'll see you in the next class with next short vowel family and more sight words. Till then, bye bye.